Have you ever tried a fruit that made you hold your nose before you could take a bite? Today, we're exploring the 10 weirdest and smelliest fruits in the world. Some of them smell awful but taste heavenly, while others are just an acquired taste. 1. Durian, the king of fruits. First on our list is the infamous durian, also known as the king of fruits. Native to Southeast Asia, this spiky fruit is known for its intense odor. Some say it smells like rotting onions, sweaty gym socks, or even garbage. But don't let the smell fool you. Many people love its creamy, custard-like texture and sweet taste. Fun fact, durian is banned in hotels and public transport in some countries because of its smell. Nutritional benefits: 1. High in healthy fats for energy. 2. Rich in vitamin C and B6, promoting immunity and brain health. 3. Contains potassium and magnesium for heart health. 2. Noni. Next up is the noni, also called the vomit fruit. Native to the Pacific Islands, noni smells like blue cheese mixed with sweaty feet. Yikes! Nutritional benefits: 1. Packed with antioxidants to fight inflammation. 2. High in vitamin C to boost your immune system. Despite its smell, noni juice is a popular health drink, believed to boost the immune system and improve digestion and gut health with its natural enzymes. Noni juice might smell odd, but it's a powerhouse for detoxing your body. Would you give it a try? 3. Jackfruit, the giant of smelly fruits. Jackfruit is the largest tree-borne fruit in the world, and while its smell isn't as intense as durian, it's still pretty funky. Ripe jackfruit has a sweet, fruity aroma mixed with a hint of fermenting bananas. But don't let that scare you. The good news? It's delicious. Jackfruit is versatile. You can eat it fresh or cook it as a meat substitute in savory dishes. And one more thing you can eat: the seeds boiled or roasted, and they are very delicious and healthy. Nutritional benefits: 1. High in fiber, keeping your digestive system happy. 2. Contains vitamin A for healthy skin and eyes. A great source of plant-based protein, perfect for vegans. 4. Osage orange. This North American fruit smells like a mix of citrus and a sweaty sock, but its seeds contain healthy fats that promote heart health. 2. Vitamin C and polyphenols that fight free radicals. Not the easiest to eat, but great for health-conscious adventurers. 5. Marula fruit. Marula fruit smells slightly fermented due to its high sugar content. It's rich in vitamin C, even more than oranges. 2. Essential oils for skincare. And 3. Antioxidants to combat aging. This fruit is the key ingredient in Amarula cream liqueur, but it's also great as a snack. African locust bean. The African locust bean, Parkia biglobosa, is considered weird and smelly for several reasons. 1. Pungent aroma. The fruit itself isn't overly smelly, but when the seeds are fermented to produce dawa dawa or eru, a traditional seasoning in West Africa, they develop a strong ammonia-like smell that can be off-putting to people unfamiliar with it. This fermentation process is what gives it its characteristic odor. 2. Unique appearance. The African locust bean grows in long, hanging pods that are unusual in appearance. The seeds are encased in a sticky, sweet pulp that contrasts sharply with the pungent smell of the fermented product. 3. Acquired taste and use. While the smell can be overpowering, especially during fermentation, it's a vital part of traditional West African cuisine, valued for its savory, umami flavor and health benefits. However, for those unaccustomed to it, the aroma might seem weird. Despite its smell, the African locust bean is a nutritional powerhouse loaded with 1. Iron to prevent anemia, 2. Calcium for bone health, and 3. Protein to build muscles. Locust beans are a staple in West African cuisine, and they pack a serious nutritional punch. Meringue fruit. This tropical fruit from Southeast Asia has a potent, sweet smell that can overwhelm a room. But it's rich in vitamin A, which promotes healthy eyes and skin, and is also an excellent source of protein for a fruit. Nutritional benefits 1. Rich in fiber, which helps with digestion health and relieves constipation. High in antioxidants, contains vitamin C, which reduces cellular damage by free radicals. High potassium levels support heart health and help maintain regular blood pressure. 4. Contains good source of iron, which helps prevent anemia. 8. Stinky tofu fruit, African breadfruit. This fruit has a nutty flavor, but its smell can resemble stinky tofu or fermented soy. It's native to Africa and is a staple in many local diets. Nutritional benefits 1. High in protein, making it great for muscle building. 2. Rich in essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus for strong bones. 3. Supports digestive health with its fiber content. African breadfruit might smell funky, but its roasted seeds are a nutrient-packed snack. 9. Cempedak, durian's cousin. Cempedak is a relative of both jackfruit and durian. It has a musky, strong smell that some people love and others not so much. The flavor? It's sweet and creamy, often compared to caramelized bananas. You'll find it as a street food snack in Malaysia and Indonesia. Nutritional benefits. 1. High in antioxidants for cellular health. 2. Contains vitamin E, promoting youthful skin. 3. Provides energy-boosting carbohydrates. If you're brave enough to try it, Cempedak will reward you with its sweet and tangy flavor. 10. Stinking toe. Last but not least is stinking toe, a weird name for a weird fruit. This one wins the award for the weirdest name. The stinking toe fruit, native to the Caribbean and Central America, gets its name from its toe-like shape and its odor, which resembles, you guessed it, stinky feet. But inside, it has a sweet, powdery pulp that tastes like a mix of vanilla and sugar. Don't let the smell or name scare you away. Nutritional benefits of stinking toe fruit 1. The fruit's pulp is extremely high in dietary fiber, 2. On aiding digestion and promoting gut health. 3. Helps prevent constipation and supports regular bowel movements. 4. Contains minerals like iron, which supports red blood cell production and prevents anemia. 5. Rich in calcium and phosphorus, which are essential for strong bones and teeth. Includes potassium, crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and muscle function. Offers plant-based protein, contributing to muscle repair and overall body maintenance. Great for vegetarians or those looking to diversify their protein sources. Vitamins for immune support. Contains vitamin C, which boosts immunity, fights oxidative stress, and supports healthy skin. Includes B vitamins, essential for energy metabolism and nervous system health. Antioxidant properties. The fruit is rich in compounds that combat free radicals, reducing inflammation and promoting overall health. Natural detoxifier. Its high fiber content helps cleanse the digestive system and supports the liver's detoxification process. Closing thoughts. C. Behind every weird and smelly fruit lies an abundance of health benefits. These fruits may not be easy on the nose, but they're amazing for your body. Which one are you brave enough to try? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting health content. Comment below with the weirdest fruit you've ever tasted. See you in the next video.